Hello guys, welcome to Unified IT Solution. Topic is Splunk enable the boot start on Universal Forwarder. So today we are going to discuss how to enable the boot start on the Linux system where system D is managed by the system. So I'll show you one Splunk document where it is clearly mentioned, and you can also follow that process for different Unix platform. So I'll just directly move to that page, and that page is you can simply go into the Google and type Splunk enable boot start, and you will land to that page. Click on the first link and you will find it here. So if you see it directly, I'll come to this point. So enable boot start on machine that runs system D. So some Linux machine only manage using the system D all the services, and if you want your Splunk also you could manage with the system D process. So you have to run this command. You can go through this document in detail. So enable boot start. So it will enable the boot start, and the user you wanted to run this Splunk, and then system I will manage one. So if you enable this, if you run this command, what will happen, it will create the system D process for this Splunk. So I will show here. So I'll just copy this command and I just replace with my current user, which is Splunk D. I'll just copy this here and I will go into my system. I will run it. Now what will happen? Once I run it, it will show system D unit file has been installed by user at this PC. So how do you check the status of this service? You just copy this Splunk forwarder and put that command system ctl status, put that service name. So right now it is showing inactive because first time it could not recognize what is the status of the Splunk, because right now if you check our Splunk forwarder, it is running. You see it, sorry, it is not running. So what I will do, I will just start it with from here and we will see that it is able to start it. So I just put the start and let's see the current status again with the systemctl process. So it is saying active and running. So when it was start, this is giving the time, and this is created because of we put this command enable boot start. So now we'll check that status command line to be sure that our system is running. So now you see that we can control, like our system is running and we control our process with the systemctl process. So when system will start, system D will start or reboot after shutdown, so it will be automatically start your forwarder. So we don't have to worry about it, and you can control through ctl. You can do it manually, but better way to now start and stop your Splunk forwarder with systemctl process. Okay guys, and please let me know if you have any doubt. I'll try to just comment and let us know so we can try to clear it. Thank you guys.